Sally ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please begin. Hearty greetings. Namaste. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this beautiful and friendly venue nowadays, Google Meet. I am profoundly delighted to take an opportunity to welcome our chief guest, Mrs. Chan Nehru ma'am, for the day. She is very well known
Thank you.
for her words of wisdom, and she has always enlightened us by giving us one or the other sources of information. I feel delighted to welcome our principal ma'am, Mrs. Vandana Saxena. Your presence is like a blessing for all of us. Along with this, I welcome each and every person present here who has joined us today, sparing their precious time. Over to Sachin sir.
Good morning. Thank you, Nikita ma'am. Good morning, respected Chairperson Chan Nehru ma'am. Welcome you. Good morning, Principal ma'am and respected teachers. I, Sachin Kashyap, welcome you all. And before beginning, I wish you all a happy Budh Purnima. We are beginning this festival of entertainment on a very positive day and with a very positive vibes of Budh Purnima. So first, let's chant together this mantra. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. May Lord Buddha bless us all and give us peace. So, Buddhists do not worship Buddha statue as a god. Rather, take it as a inspiration to practice meditation. Statue of Buddha stands out being a focal point to get inspiration. It also acts as a symbol of truth and peace, which is the route towards enlightenment. And we all want to enlighten our lives, so we need. So, coming back to the festival, after the success of last year festival of learning, we have added this in our annual calendar. As a teacher, we must need to be updated in our subjects and in our teaching methodologies. In the same way, we need to be happy and cherish in whatever we are doing for ourselves and what we are doing for the institution and for our teaching. Unity promotes the important notion of living peacefully together or side by side. Peace and unity are intertwined. No unity, no peace is to ensure and vice versa. The motive of this program is to ensure the feel of journey towards realization. So, realization of the value peace within. So, for the beginning, first of all, I request Chan Nehru ma'am to lighting the lamp
Okay.
and simultaneously principal ma'am kindly and even teachers also join with their candles and lit their candles parallelly. Yes, Atul
Can
sir.
you see? Can you see my lamp?
No ma'am, it's not visible.
No, no.
Slightly lower down the camera, ma'am.
Yes, we can see. You can
Now,
lift it
Yes,
and then
now
put
you
it.
can see it.
Yes, now we can
now
see.
you can see it. Okay.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्युर्मा अमृतं गमया ॐ मङ्गलम् ॐ स्वागतम् ॐ नारायणम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. So, before beginning our festival, there are some rules which I like to share. First, attend the session actively with smile. We love to see you smiling. Second, please follow the dress codes as given. Third, once you finish the activity, please use the chat box to write I have done so that we aware that you have finished your activity. 4. You are welcome to share your views at the end of the function. So now we move towards the journey. The journey which we all demand, the journey which we all need, a journey of enlightenment and journey of realization. So the first step of the journey is peace.
Thank you, Sachin sir. Please give your ears to what I say. Just look in yourself. Have you all peaceful mind? The answer is no. In this world, there are very few people who have got peace of mind and peace of inner soul. Finding inner peace is it is as difficult as finding God in this world. We all are struggling with so many questions. Nowadays, we know it is COVID time. Please, everyone, close your eyes and let us ask these questions from Almighty and try to relate to these confusions, questions, problems which are somewhere going inside us. These questions were all inside me till I had COVID. I can't find free time. Life has become hectic.
My dear, activity gets you busy, but productivity gets you free.
Why has life become complicated now?
Stop analyzing life. It makes it complicated. Just live it.
Why are then constantly unhappy?
Worrying. Worrying has become your habit. That's why you are not happy.
Why do good people always suffer?
Diamond, my dear, diamond can't be polished without friction. Gold can't be purified without fire. Good people go through trials, but don't suffer. With that experience, their life becomes better, not bitter.
You mean to say such experience is useful?
Yes, in every term. Experience is a hard teacher. She gives the test first and then the lessons.
Because of so many problems, we don't know where we are heading.
If you look outside, you will not know where you are heading. Look inside. Eyes provide sight. Heart provides the way.
Does failure hurt more than moving in the right direction?
My dear, success is a measure as decided by others. Satisfaction is a measure as decided by you.
In tough times, how do we stay motivated?
Very simple. Always look at how far you have come rather than how far you have to go. Always count your blessings, not what you are missing.
What surprises you about people?
When they suffer, they ask, why me? When they prosper, they never ask, why me?
How can I get the best out of life?
Very simple way. Face your past without regret, handle your present with confidence, and prepare for the future without fear.
One last question. Sometimes I feel my prayers are not answered.
There are no unanswered prayers, my dear. Keep the faith and drop the fear. Life is a mystery to solve, not a problem to resolve. Trust me, life is a wonderful, life is wonderful if you know how to live. I hope your confusion is away.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you for being with me always.
Stay blessed.
Over to Shelly, ma'am.
Thank you, Nitika ma'am. Hope everyone present here is in good health, and I also presume everyone's like me is excited about today's event. All must be thinking that what will coming next? Ha 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 ha. Jokes apart. Very good morning, respected chairperson ma'am, principal ma'am, and the entire TMS family. We are graced by your presence on this virtual function that makes this day and the upcoming days more memorable and golden. I won't delay any more. I begin with due permission of Ma'am Chand Nehru and Ma'am Vanna Saxena. Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's start with the fun games. Are you all ready? Yes or no? Okay, thank you. I need to tell everyone that you will get 1 minute time to complete your task. We have 3 games. You will get 1 minute to finish all the task. So let's begin with our first game. We as a human being, especially ladies, knows where the things are lying, like in the kitchen, in the house, cupboards, कहाँ पे कौन सी चीज पड़ी है, like आज मैंने राजमा चावल बनाए हैं, so मेरे मसाले कहाँ हैं, कपड़े कहाँ हैं. But it's easy for ladies, but it must be difficult for men that because they hardly go to the kitchen. Isn't it, Dinesh sir?
Oh, ma'am, it is not true. Every time I'm in kitchen only.
Okay. Okay. You will get a letter. Everyone, please listen. You will get a letter. You have to collect item as much you can. It can be from your house. It can be from your kitchen. It can be from that cupboard. कहीं से भी कोई भी चीज आप collect कर सकते हैं. Those who will get maximum items, he or she will win. So kindly write the number in the chat box so that we can ping and count the items. Is that clear to everyone? That you get a number, you get a letter, you have to rush to your house, to your cupboard, to your kitchen, and you'll collect the items from that starting letter. Okay, so let's begin.
Just a second, ma'am. Can we please request everybody to turn on their cameras?
Yes, so that we can see properly.
Exactly.
Please switch on your videos.
So we'll see who will going to win, a ladies or a men. We'll see कौन सबसे ज़्यादा kitchen में time बिताता है. Sanjeev sir, Kusum ma'am, Tarun sir, please turn on your cameras so that we can start.
Kindly switch on your cameras. Then we'll begin our activity.
Sachin sir, I'm trying. I will
No
be-
problem, ma'am. Harkirat ma'am, no problem. Yes, you said your part, no problem.
Ashu sir,
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, we have to write in the chat box what the things we have collected. We'll get up only, then we'll collect.
I'll count the I'll start the timer, ma'am. So when you'll get 1 minute. When you complete it, just come and write in the chat box how many numbers you have, how many items you have. Okay. Seema ma'am, abhi nahi. You have to just wait for my. Seema ma'am.
So excited she is.
Okay, let's start. Are you all ready? So on your marks, let's set go. Your letter is T. Time starts now. The letter is T.
Seema ma'am, letter is T.
T. T for toy. Rush. You have to collect the items starting with T. Rush. Everybody go on. I can't see anyone.
Come on, run.
See
Show
the
your
wall
fitness.
only. Atul sir, only one thing. Please write in the chat box what you have collected. Gurman ma'am has come. Please write in the chat box how many numbers you have.
After collecting, write your numbers.
Nidhi ma'am, rush. Harsha ma'am has come. Harsha ma'am, please write in the chat box. Manmeet ma'am. Oh my
9
god,
articles.
Dinesh sir has 5.
Yes, I am back.
Harkirat ma'am showing something.
Tissue paper.
Okay, time's up.
Time's up.
Time's up.
Okay, start counting. I'll show you.
Oh my god. Let's see the chat box. How many
I
items
can't write
did we
in the
have?
chat box. Please see.
Simi ma'am 13. My God, Simi ma'am.
Wow.
Charu ma'am has 11. Simrit ma'am has 13. Seema ma'am.
4, 5. My kitchen is outside.
Started with T.
Top is 13.
Seema ma'am is starting with T. T.
Ma'am, object starting with T, ma'am.
T. T for table.
Letter T.
Pediasure.
Ma'am, T.
Ma'am, that is T.
Ma'am will not listen. Seema ma'am, you are not listening to this. Seema,
Aloo paratha.
Ma'am, I will
Ma'am,
put
अपने
that
अलग दिया बता
आगे,
दीजिए।
Great.
Seema ma'am.
Wait. Nice.
She has collected all the items from the kitchen.
Ma'am will not listen.
Sima ma'am got the whole kitchen.
Great. Going to make vegetable. Tea.
टी से स्टार्ट होने चाहिए.
मैम
Let us
सीमा मैम disqualified.
सीमा मैम, you have to collect the things जो start होता है T से.
ये 1857 की दूसरी क्रांति है जो आज हुई है।
टी.
मैम टॉप इज 13, 11
आपके पास
and
T
10.
से कितने letters के items हैं? Like suppose T is fine.
Tablespoon is fine.
Shelly ma'am,
Yeah.
top is 13, 11
Top is 13.
and 10. Simi
Okay.
ma'am, Charu ma'am, and 10 is Nimrita ma'am.
Now I
Ma'am, can we show? Can you please show?
आशीष सर मेरा भी काउंट कर
अतुल
लो.
सर.
मैंने पहले भी
अतुल
लिखा था आशीष सर.
टी मसाला भी
Niti
है.
ma'am, 14.
I have 11. Atul sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
14, 13 and 10, 11.
Atul sir.
Shelly ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Hanji
Atul
ma'am.
sir.
top is 14.
Hanji.
Nidhi ma'am. And then
Yes, Sanjana ma'am.
13
Atul sir,
Simrit
I would
ma'am
like to say something.
and 11 Charu ma'am.
Atul sir,
Sir,
I
Yes,
would like to
sir.
say something.
Yes, ma'am.
सर ये भी देखो ना कि जो चीज कहीं पर नहीं हो सकती वहां से भी मैंने ढूंढ ली.
नहीं, गाड़ी में टिश्यू पेपर तो होता ही होता है और कुछ हो ना हो.
गाड़ी में ढूंढ लिया.
It's so grateful, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
God
you very much.
ढूंढा उन्होंने गाड़ी पे. अब बैटरी वगैरह भी निकाल दी.
टायर
Shelly,
निकाल के ले.
Shelly ma'am,
Yes, sir.
you can call Nidhi ma'am 14.
Yes, yes. Nidhi, I request ma'am, Nidhi, please show us what you have mentioned, what you have in your hands. We can see.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I'm just putting your. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
T for trophy. T for tiffin.
Two.
T for tulsi. T for spoon. T for tomato.
Oh,
T
God.
for torch. T for tube. T for tea. T for my this. It's just a minute. Table. T for tub. T for tub. T for telephone.
Oh,
एक और रखा हुआ है.
मैम तवा लेके मत आइएगा. टी फॉर तवा.
T for tower, T for TV.
मैंने तरबूज भी निकाला था.
Well done ma'am, well done, well done ma'am.
टूथपेस्ट.
टी for टप्पर बोल दिया हुआ है. हाँ बोल दिया.
Tumbler, okay.
हाँ टूथपेस्ट भी है मेरे पास. टॉर्च भी है.
Three also can be counted. Tokri.
Good job ma'am, good job Nidhi
Well
ma'am.
done, well done.
Well done,
Well
ma'am.
done.
We have a.
Let's
We
clap
need
for
to
Nidhi ma'am.
give a round of applause.
Second one Shelly ma'am.
Samrit, ma'am.
और सोच.
Samrit, ma'am, I request you please show us.
टी से पूरी नहीं है. टी फॉर ट्रॉफी. टी फॉर टेबल
Please
स्पून.
turn on your camera. Yeah.
बॉक्स लेके आओ.
Yes, ma'am. We can see now.
प्राइस जल्दी लेके आओ. चम्मच.
टेबल टी. कितना में मैम नो टेकिंग फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स मैम. इसे और नहीं है मैम. मेरे को क्लियर नहीं हुआ था. पेरेंट्स डोंट हेल्प चिल्ड्रन. टेबल स्पून.
Okay, next for tea is
11 is, I think, Charu, ma'am.
11 Charu ma'am.
Yes, Charu, ma'am.
Shall I show the same things or the different ones?
What you have? Ma'am? That's okay.
This is my tablet. This is tongs.
Yeah.
This is my tumbler. This is tea leaves. This is turmeric. This is tomato. This is table cup. This is table mat. This is tray. This is teapot. This is tablespoon. and a towel also.
Oh, great.
Good.
Thank you.
Great, ma'am.
And a torch too.
Two torches.
Well done, ma'am. Very good. I hope everyone enjoyed it.
It was wonderful.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Okay, now start. I request Dinesh sir. Dinesh sir, I think you also have 11 items. Dinesh sir, sorry.
Oh, ma'am,
Ma'am, I have 15.
already able to find 7.
Kelly, ma'am, I have 15.
Nimrita ma'am, you have 15.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Dinesh sir is showing a toy. Okay, sir.
Good one.
Okay, I think Nimrita ma'am has 15. Nimrita ma'am, can you please show us?
Am I visible? One
Yes,
is
yes,
this,
yes. We can see, ma'am.
and then I have this tub with me, big one, and then I have this study table, and then I have this tea leaf. I have this towel. I have this top. I have this trophy. I have this toothbrush. This is my daughter's table book. This is tomato. This is my dad's cap. This is toothpaste. These are my teeth. You can see this. I have a tea maker, and then I have a doll or toy.
Oh my God.
I have tops, my tops, and then I have my table here, and then I have a tube light. You please see my tube light also.
उसे उतार के टेबल पे दिखाना है.
हाँ?
ट्यूबलाइट को टेबल पे रख के दिखाना है.
Sir, tube light.
So you have, I think, 14 items. So Nidhi ma'am and Nimrita ma'am is the winner of this round.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right. बहुत हो गई भागदौड़ घर में. अब थोड़ा relax कर लेते हैं. Love and peace of mind to protect us. They allows us to overcome the problem that life hands us. So love and peace do protect us because they allow us to overcome all the things which we are facing right now in the pandemic time. So another game is depend on the peace of mind. Any guesses? All right. So everyone has something in the heart. Everyone has something which gives peace of mind. Like सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ घर में होता है जो item हमें peace देती है. So I request all the teachers, you all need to write lines in the chat box which the item gives you peace. आपको ऐसी item के बारे में कुछ लिखना है chat box में जो आपको peace देती है. Are you all ready? Okay. Ashish sir, so
Yes.
will we start?
Okay.
The time starts
Now.
now. Time's up.
सबसे बड़ी लिस्ट प्रिंसिपल मैम की है.
Shelly ma'am.
Okay, so thank you everyone for your wonderful efforts and thoughts. Well. It's difficult to find the diamonds, so we are taking top 3 chats. So I think Ashish sir, please help me to get top 3.
I think Tarun has written Zentangling. Tarun?
Okay. I request Tarun sir.
Tarun ma'am.
Tarun ma'am. Okay. I request Tarun ma'am to please speak something about what you have mentioned.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everybody.
ऑडियो वीडियो दोनों चलाना है.
Sorry. I learned Zentangling during the lockdown period. It is basically repetition of patterns which associate spiritual interpretations, connects you with the different patterns in the universe which are all around us, in nature, and so much more. I'm still learning, but it really relieves me of all the stress. I mean, I can wake up 12 o'clock in the midnight and start doing it, and it really eases me off.
Right.
Good.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good.
It was wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay. Next top 2. Ashish sir, top 2.
Yes. I am searching for that. Ritika has written pillow. Ritika, where are you?
Ritika ma'am.
That is interesting.
Yes, sir, because that's the ultimate peace I get when I get my pillow and I go back to sleep and I'm in the relaxed mode. So sometimes that's the peace that we all desire for.
Because you are not that kind of a person. That's why.
Thank you, sir.
That means
Okay, thank
your
you, ma'am.
answer is
Thank you
just
for
opposite
sharing.
to your nature.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing. Now
Ma'am, the third one, you should go for
third
it.
one is,
You should decide.
I think Kushal ma'am, Kushal Nagpal ma'am. I think top 3. Creative
Sorry,
team,
ma'am,
please
am I
decide
audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Kushal ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I feel peace with my family. Whenever I'm, with my family, we people are messing up with each other, having fun, releasing all the stress. So every day we have that stress buster kind of thing. So it's really enjoyable.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Is anybody would like to speak something?
And the second, one more interesting thing in principal ma'ams, that is the sound of a bell. Ma'am, can you would like to explain it?
Yeah. So it's just very recently that I was doing up my balcony and putting out my plants at home, and I bought a wind chime. And I put a wind chime along with my plants. And when I wake up in the morning, or even when I'm working, the sound of a bell helps me to become more mindful of the peace that's within me. It's a reminder to me, and also I realize the importance of sweet sounds around you. Because a sound generates, or let me say, not generates, every sound brings out a certain kind of energy from us. And the sound brings out the peaceful energy from within.
Thank you.
Good one. Very good. Very good.
All right. So without wasting time, I want to go to the last game. It's time to rush again. So tie your shoes.
Ma'am, wait. Cameras on, please. Without cameras.
So rule is you all need to bring a shirt. Simam time ke साथ. You all need to bring a shirt from anybody's cupboard. Like आप कहीं से भी shirt लेकर आ सकते हैं. As much you can. Like if you when you bring a shirt, जितनी आप collect करेंगे, as much you can wear it. Okay. So the winner will be. I repeat again. You all need to bring a shirt from anybody's cupboard, as much you can. Those who wear maximum shirts in a minute, he will, she will win. Is that clear?
आपको
Your
शर्ट
time.
पहनने और पहनने हैं।
Camera should be on, please. Okay.
And you must wear the shirt.
Ranju ma'am, please wait.
Oh my God, press the shirt.
मैंने wait.
The time.
Excuse me. And who will manage my kitchen? The whole kitchen is here. I didn't listen the instructions properly, so I brought the whole kitchen. Who will manage this? And now, if I'll take out shirts from my husband's wardrobe, he'll kill me.
मैम आज के दिन का आपका पूरा काम आपको मिल गया, ये देखिए।
हाँ बाय गॉड, मैं तो गार्डन में से शीशर स्टैचू भी उठा लाई थी, देखा नहीं whole evening I'll be managing all these things. See, आपने देखा मैंने ये भी उठा लाई सर गार्डन से।
कोई बात नहीं।
सीमा मैम थोड़ा वर्कआउट ही हो जाएगा।
ओके सर।
और शर्ट्स प्रॉपर्ली बटन होने चाहिए आपके।
रंजू मैम
रहने दो।
रंजू मैम वेट।
मैम गलत बात है, आपके 2 नंबर कट जाएंगे।
पहनी नहीं है, सीधी करें।
शर्ट पहननी है, टी-शर्ट नहीं।
जाएं लेकर आए।
शर्ट।
Okay, time starts.
Press the shirt.
शर्ट निधि मैम। आपके पास बहुत टी-शर्ट है, स्पोर्ट्स
टी-शर्ट है तो शर्ट कहाँ से लाएंगे?
On your marks, let's set go.
Ready, start. Run, come on.
शैली में भी शुरू कर।
अब क्वेश्चन का टाइम गया।
रंजू मैम, माय गॉड।
Yes.
रंजू मैम टी-शर्ट सिली है आप सब।
निधि मैम आपके पास इतनी सारी शर्ट्स होगी।
Wear as much you can.
निकालिए, खोलिए। ऐसा भी निकाल लीजिए।
निधि मैम टी-शर्ट ही पहन लो, कोई बात नहीं।
मनमीत मैम says no shirts, yeah.
Ranju ma'am is wearing t-shirt.
आप भी टी-शर्ट डाल लो मैम। निधि मैम, go for it.
ये बैठा हुआ कौन है? चुपचाप।
Cameras on. Vinesh sir, camera on. Yes.
Vinesh sir, camera on.
Oh my God.
Vinesh sir.
Vinesh sir, you have to wear all.
Husbands are going to pack the
इससे ज्यादा फिट नहीं हो रही मैम, इससे ज्यादा फिट नहीं हो रही।
वो अलग बात है कि घर में मार पड़ेगी कि सारे प्रेस किए हुए शर्ट्स निकाल के खराब कर दिए, वो
Right.
लेकिन पार्टिसिपेट करो, चलो।
Seema Asri ma'am is also doing, I can see.
कुसुम मैम इज डूइंग। ये कैमरा ऑफ करके नहीं चलेगा। कौन है?
दिनेश सर बटन बंद करने हैं।
सर जो पहनी हुई है उसका ये तो फिर ऊपर से पहनी हुई है,
उसके ऊपर ही पहन लो।
और लो।
So what? T-shirt.
Trying.
Manmeet ma'am, you can wear T-shirts. Come on, go ahead, run.
Oh my God, I think Principal ma'am will be the winner.
I think.
Yes, so many shares.
Vinesh sir, come on. Seema Asri ma'am, come on. Vinima ma'am, come on. Yes, yes.
मेरे तो फंसी नहीं रही है।
कोई बात नहीं, वही तो करना है।
It's okay, yes.
I think time is up.
Time is up, yes.
Relax, down.
Relax.
आप इसमें सब अपनी एक सेल्फी ले लीजिए।
सर धोबी ने बटन लगा के रखे हुए, खुल ही नहीं रहे।
यहाँ पे हम जैसे आलसी काम आते हैं, हम जैसे आलसी ना शर्ट को भी टी-शर्ट की तरह पहनते हैं। एक बटन
Please
ऊपर
write
का
in the
खोलो,
chat
नीचे
box.
रंजू
नीचे
मैम,
का
आप पहनते जा रहे हो। रंजू मैम, स्टॉप दिस।
टाइम अप रंजू मैम,
Okay,
टाइम
Please
अप।
write in the chat box.
8, 2.
3 मिनट पहले 1 मिनट खत्म हो गया था।
दो फालतू पहन
Good
लिया
man,
आपने।
ma'am. Please write in the chat box.
Write in chat box. Write in chat box.
Chat
What's
box.
the number of t-shirts?
Use the chat box.
Nidhi ma'am, stop. Time is up.
ओके,
Write in chat box.
गिनना पड़ेगा अभी।
निम्रता 15, वेरी गुड।
निधि मैम वेट चेक करके आओ, वेट बढ़ गया आपका।
सर आई एम फीलिंग वेरी हॉट नाउ अभी।
Anjana ma'am 9, Nitika ma'am I think Nimrita ma'am is 9, Seema ma'am 5, Harsha ma'am 3, Principal ma'am 8, Ravneet ma'am 6, Sanjeev sir 2, Vinima ma'am 4, Principal ma'am 9, Dinesh sir 6, Seema ma'am 9, oh my god, Nimrita ma'am 15.
ये पुराना वाला मैसेज नहीं करना था।
Gurman ma'am 6.
निधि मैम अब
A
आप
proper
टीवी
shirt.
चाहिए।
A proper shirt should be. Principal ma'am 11.
उतारना शुरू करते हो, ठीक है?
मैम पहनते जा रहे हैं, अभी पहनते जा रहे हैं।
Ashish sir, pick the top 3.
I think Principal ma'am 11, Nimrita 15,
Ranju ma'am, Namrita ma'am, and Principal ma'am.
Seema ma'am 9,
उतारने शुरू
15,
करते हैं।
15, 12, 11.
15, 12, 11.
15 Nimrita ma'am, 12 Ranju ma'am, 11 Principal ma'am.
Principal. Okay, निधि मैम 15, very good.
निधि मैम ये अब ये कहाँ से एकदम ऐड कर दिया?
मैम चलो
Ma'am, unmute yourself.
काउंट कीजिए, आप एक को 2 बार काउंट कर ले रही होंगी।
Okay, have a count now.
अब काउंट करें, निकालने शुरू कर दें।
हाँ हाँ।
1, Nidhi ma'am 2.
अब
3. Oh my god.
मैम
सारे स्पोर्ट्स वाली टी-शर्ट्स हैं, 3 साइज होती है, पहनते जाओ।
शैली मैम काउंट कैसे दिखाना है आपको?
Ma'am,
कैमरे के
abhi,
सामने।
ma'am, Nidhi ma'am is showing, then you show us.
ओके
रंजू मैम वेट कर लीजिए।
मैंने तो उतार दिया।
ले तो नहीं
Nidhi
काउंट
ma'am,
अब वो काउंट होंगी सर।
Nidhi ma'am, unmute yourself after. Oh my god, it's so difficult to wear a lot of t-shirts together.
It's between science department competition. Nidhi ma'am and Nimrita ma'am.
क्यों मैं
Nidhi ma'am, it's okay, you can relax. Relax, relax.
Very good.
Clap on.
It's actually very difficult.
और एक डाली हुई है।
भाई इधर देखो क्या घर का मेरा भाई नीचे सारा बुरा हाल हो गया। अलमारी
बच्चों को लगाइए काम करने।
13 है मेरी सर, 13 है मेरी।
ओके,
मेरी 15 है।
कहाँ?
अब मेरी निम्रता मेरी 15।
Okay, I think you both win this.
अंदर
हाँ हाँ, आप ठीक है, अब रखाइए वापस।
अब मुझे साथ नहीं है।
Well tried, everyone.
Nimrita
Well
ma'am, you
tried.
are more active than Ranju ma'am.
मैम बस कंपटीशन के नाम पे थोड़ी एनर्जी आ गई और तो कुछ नहीं, अदरवाइज नॉट।
That's we want ma'am energy.
यही तो चाहिए।
Yeah.
Yes.
सर अगला कंपटीशन खाना बनाने का निम्रता मैम और रंजू मैम का।
निधि मैम करके रखनी थी अच्छे से। हम लोग अपने आप को इनवाइटेड समझे फिर।
हाँ हाँ, लंच पे आ जाओ।
वो भी कंपटीशन है।
Where you want the South Indian, anything I can cook.
Well done, team.
मेरे को लेट शुरू करवाया आपने, मुझे लेट बोला कि टी शर्ट डाल लो, नहीं तो और आ जाती।
स्टिल आपने
वैसे 20 पहनी जा सकती थी, आपने लेट और जल्दी खत्म करा दिया हमारा।
नहीं नहीं, लेट शुरू किया था मैंने मैम, आप पहले उठ गए थे, 2 पहले ले आए थे आप।
अच्छा मेरी अब उतार दें अब, शैली मैम शुड बी रिमूव?
Yes, ma'am. Please relax yourself. Yes.
पूरे सेशन में पहन के रखना है। जो विनर है वो पूरे सेशन में पहन के रखेगा।
आशीष सर, मैं तो पूरी उनकी उठा लाई थी, पूरा वार्डरोब से पूरी उनको भरी पड़ी है। अब सब
मैंने भी कहीं नहीं सुना, मैं भी सब उठा लाई थी।
अब सारी मुझे ही तय लगा के रखनी पड़नी है सर।
कोई बात नहीं मैम।
I think everyone well tried. Round of applause for everyone. Very nice. Thank you very much. I hope everyone enjoying it. Okay, now we need to relax ourselves. So I request to Ashish sir to begin with the next session. Over to you, Ashish sir. Ashish sir, please unmute yourself.
गुड मॉर्निंग। अब लेट्स डू सम practices for our mind and soul. Okay? So आप जहां पे भी हैं, जैसे भी हैं, make yourself comfortable. पानी पी लीजिए, बीच में काफी भाग दौड़ की आप लोगों ने। Take a break.
आपने पसीना पसीना कर दिया।
तो
Sir, water break is required.
30 seconds allowed.
Water break is needed, sir. Water break.
पानी की बॉटल रख लीजिए साथ में।
सर गिव अ मिनट देन वी विल बिगिन ना। 1 मिनट दे दो सबको।
हाँ हाँ, सब लोग आ जाएं आराम से, रिलैक्स होके।
Till the time we will listen to music.
हाँ सही थी, अच्छी एक्टिविटी हो गई। Now, I believe everybody is back. I think सब लोग आ गए।
Vinima ma'am and I think Gurman ma'am is.
I think हम 47 लोग हो गए हैं शायद वापस।
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So shall we start now? चलिए, close your eyes. Make yourself comfortable. And get ready for the practice of Yoga Nidra. Awareness मेरी आवाज पे, मेरे इंस्ट्रक्शंस पे, जब तक बहुत जरूरी ना हो फिजिकली मूव नहीं करना है। Visualize yourself visualize your own body from tip of your toes to the crown of your head. Your whole body at a glance. Your whole body at a glance. And try to keep your back, neck, and head in one straight line. Just relax yourself. Say to yourself, I am fully relaxed, fully comfortable in this position. अब अपनी अवेयरनेस अपने शरीर से हटाकर अपनी आंखों के सामने, अपनी बंद आंखों के सामने जो मेंटल स्क्रीन बनती है उस पे ले आइए। Just become aware of that screen in front of your closed eyes. And जो भी, जैसी भी चीज, कुछ भी दिख रही है या नहीं दिख रही है, become aware of that. Maybe you can see colors, maybe you can see some geometrical figures, maybe random figures, anything. But do not try to create anything. Let it be natural. Whatever comes. Whole awareness on the Chidakash, चित्त का आकाश। May be possible कुछ ना दिखाई दे, may be possible बहुत कुछ दिखाई दे. That is not the criteria. Now, try to visualize a candle flame, just the flame. किसी दिए की लौ या कैंडल की लौ, try to visualize. उस दिए की लौ को या कैंडल की लौ को अपने उस चिदाकाश पे रोक के रखने की कोशिश कीजिए। हम में से बहुतों के साथ होगा कि वो कैंडल फ्लेम धीरे 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 आपकी मेंटल स्क्रीन से दूर कहीं जाती जाएगी, वापस लेके आइए। आपकी अवेयरनेस, आपका ध्यान उस कैंडल फ्लेम से नहीं हटना चाहिए। गोल्डन वाइट कलर की फ्लेम बिल्कुल स्टैटिक, घर पे या कहीं पे कई बार आपने देखा होगा कैंडल फ्लेम बिल्कुल स्टैटिक होती है, ऐसे वो वहां होके भी नहीं है। वो स्टैटिक, वो मोमेंट, ट्राई टू कैप्चर इट। उस स्टैटिक फ्लेम को, उस स्टैटिक लॉ को gradually try to bring it closer to your eyebrow center. जितना अपने फोरहेड के, अपने आईब्रो सेंटर के जितना क्लोज ला सकते हैं, bring it there. And then visualize that the flame is entering your forehead through the eyebrow center. और उसके एंटर करते ही आपके सिर में अंदर की तरफ the whole skull or the whole head region from within is filled with white light. जैसे अंधेरे कमरे में प्रकाश आ जाता है, just like that. The whole head region is filled with light, full of light, bright white light. Then that white light is going to the different parts of your body. It's spreading your forehead, your eyes, ears, the whole face, neck, and throat region, your shoulders, from shoulders to the fingertips, filling each and every particle of your body with the light. Your chest region, your heart, your lungs, the whole abdominal area, the whole back, and from waistline the light is flowing towards your legs, thighs, knees, calf, feet till the end of toes. Just visualize yourself filled with light from within. You are glowing from within. Light is flowing throughout your body instead of blood. Every single particle of your body is vibrating. Is glowing. There is no darkness. You are full of energy, full of light, full of life. Just remain aware of the feeling that you are experiencing right now. Gently shift your awareness to your breath. The normal, natural rhythm of your breath. The normal, natural rhythm of your breath. And from your breath, now shift your awareness to your body. Become aware of the extremities of your body. Start moving your fingers, your toes. Gently move your neck. Then rub your palms against each other. Put them on your eyes. And then, with both hands, just touch your whole body from crown to the toes. Each and every part. Just a feather touch. Feel it. Then pray God for your complete health, harmony, and happiness. And then gently open your eyes. Hari Om Tat Sat. Now you can open your eyes if you feel like, but you can take your time. Over to Shelly, ma'am.
Well, nothing to say. With my words, I would like to thank each one of you for your precious time. I wish everyone enjoyed it. At last, not the least, we are sharing a feedback form. From that you have to tell your comments how you like the session. So I request Sachin sir, please kindly please put the link of the
Shared,
Google
ma'am.
form. Yes.
Shared, ma'am. Shared.
Okay. Kindly mention your comment. We will highly obliged. Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you.
And after filling your Google form, kindly write done in the chat box. And first fill the form, then write done, then you may all leave. And this is the first step towards the enlightenment. And we hope you all got some peace, and I think you got the way how to get peace. And next day we'll move ahead for the next step. So kindly fill the form and write in chat box done, then you can leave the meeting.
Sachin, can you share the form again? Actually, I lost connection in between. Can you share it again on the chat box?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
I have to log in.
Shared, ma'am. It's 12.
Vandana, Vandana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'd just like to congratulate the whole team on an excellent program. I think it was very invigorating and much needed in this atmosphere today. So well conceived and so well executed. My congratulations and all good wishes to the entire team and to each and every teacher. I think, this has brought so much cheer and peace, which was the intention. And I think it was very well done. Many congratulations and the best to you all.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And we look forward to your participation in the next
Definitely.
4 days.
Yes, hopefully I'll be able to. Yes.
I would just like to add to this, if I may, Ashish, something that is. While I was in my meditation, suddenly there was total peace. So, suddenly, I was in bliss, and when I opened my eyes, the computer battery had finished. I was out of the session, and I joined back again, and there was no sound then, and I could see everybody swinging like that. It was total peace. So, I had to switch off the system, and again I had to log in, just to say that, that peace doesn't mean that we have to be serious. Peace means that we can laugh, and it means the ability to laugh and,
Exactly. When you are laughing and you are joyful.
Yes. Yes, but the moment anybody talks of peace, then if you tell children now sit in peace, they all have a serious peace. They sit like that. No, please change that conception. They all sit like this, and they're like, inside I know what's happening, and they're like sitting seriously, and inside God knows what they're playing, PUBG or something. And so please explain to children that peace doesn't mean that we need to be serious. Do that. The second thing is, I just want to say that these times have been trying for all of us. Those of us who got COVID and are still struggling with it. Those of who didn't get it. If your parents are living far away, it's tough. If your children are with you, it's tough. If children are away from you, it's tough. So it's not, any of us are not single in it. We are all together in it. So, and revive your love for each other. Remember, we are part of the best team in the world. We are the best team in the world. Remember that. And whenever you are sad or feeling low or anything, you'll find your answers right here with your colleagues. Remember that. I want you all to feel it and experience that love in your heart. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मैं तो एक्टिविटीज में यही सोचती रही कि अभी कलरफुल दुपट्टे का कुछ करवाएंगे. बड़ा रह गया हमारा.
We'll use it in the next session. We'll use it in the next session.
Yes.
We have more days, and it's just the beginning. So be prepared for more fun and more enlightenment within us. So might be we are using different things in different sessions. So be prepared, Anjana ma'am.
Yes, and there are only 30 forms as yet. Please, everyone, I request each one of you to please fill the form.
Now 33, ma'am.
So make sure, Sachin, that everyone has filled the form, and those who haven't, please put it on the group.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
I request each one of you to fill the form because it's important for us.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you for being here always by our side. Ma'am, we can't hear you. Your mic is on the mute. Is on mute.
I said my battery also finished. So I had to get onto my telephone.
Into bliss.
But wonderful morning. And I just pray for blessings and happiness and good cheer. Most importantly, good, happy, smiling hearts and happy, smiling faces and minds. That's all we want now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
luck to you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much for your wonderful words. Thank
Most
you so much.
welcome. Most welcome. Bye.
Kindly join for other sessions also, ma'am.
Okay, I'll
Yes,
try.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Vanna ma'am. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, teachers.
Still, I have 33. 33, I think. Forms
Shall
I have
wonderful
received. Na?
session. Sachin sir, wonderful session.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.